we are so happy together with my co-teachers that we are invited here with Shell and Assist to have this pilot training for this very wonderful disaster board game, that MOD Master of Disaster. So with that, we are all excited to pass on all our learnings that we had here this morning to our clientele there in our school next week. And thank you very much for this opportunity.
We observed that this board game, the Master of Disaster board game, will help a lot to our learners, especially kasi kami nandun kami sa flooding area and also madaling masunog yung aming area dahil sa dikit-dikit ang mga bahay. So this informative learning board game will help our learners so much to practice kung ano yung dapat na gawin pag may mga disaster na dumating sa aming area.
We are Master of Disaster.